When it comes to home improvement, I am not an expert. Still learning a lot of things. And one of the things I've learned some hard lessons on, is the best way to drywall over wallpaper. Here you can see I'm removing wallpaper from the wall, at least I think I am. But what I'm actually doing is just removing the outer layer of this really old wallpaper, 1982, so it's pushing 40 years old. And I'm leaving behind a layer of paper that's stuck to the really nasty glue behind it. So I'll just cut to the chase. If you're going to try to drywall over wallpaper, you need to remove all the wallpaper, all the way down to the old drywall. You can see here, after I've done some skim coating over that paper, I'm left with some bubbles. This is where the paper has come up from the glue behind it. So I figured I'll just go ahead and run Kilz over this to try to seal it in. Well, that sort of worked, and it sort of didn't work. After I was done with the Kilz, you'll find it looks pretty good for the most part. But if you zoom into a few areas, over here in particular, you can see that there are some pretty large bubbles left on the wall. So areas where the paper on the backer from the wallpaper has come loose. So I went with the razor blade, cut it, and just peeled it until it wouldn't peel anymore. This part was kind of fun. If you like to pick scabs, then fun stuff right here. So after I finished, here you can see how much of the wall was affected. Not a huge amount of effects to the wall, enough to where I can kind of deal with the repairs by hand. So I just went to the areas that I picked the wallpaper away and skim coated it. Again, hoping that it wouldn't cause bubbles to form. Here you can see it looks pretty flat. Hard to tell from this video, but it was ready to be sanded a little bit and then textured. So here I am texturing with a roller. And in fact, I found that this roller, it textures, but it just doesn't texture enough to cover anything up. This is a 3/4 inch roller. So I've bought both a 1 1/4 inch roller, and I've also bought a spaghetti roller to try to put more material on there. Even after this, I found that I was getting some bubbles. So you got to get that wallpaper off.